You're in Tokyo. No translator, no guide. A street vendor speaks Japanese. You blink, and instantly subtitles appear on your vision. You understand every word. You smile. You reply. They smile back. No confusion. No barrier. It feels natural. Like magic, but real. Welcome to the future of communication, where your eyes become the translator. This is Tech Science Insights, where we explore the future that's already knocking at your eyes. If you're passionate about technology that's changing humanity, consider subscribing. Just a click. No pressure. How do smart contact lenses work? Inside these tiny lenses are microscopic circuits, sensors, and displays. They project text or visual cues directly onto your retina, so you see translation floating naturally in your view. Some prototypes even use eye tracking and brain signal response to understand when you want to translate something, without even pressing a button. The AI inside detects language in real time via sound, lip movement, or even text signs, and offers instant translation. And yes, these lenses are wireless, lightweight, and powered by microbatteries, or even eye movement itself, through piezoelectric energy. In other words, they work like a live translator, except it's in your eye, not in your pocket. The lens connects wirelessly to cloud-based AI that processes data in milliseconds. Even gestures and tone of voice can be analyzed to offer culturally accurate translations. And because it's all projected in augmented reality, your eyes remain free. No screens, no devices, just pure presence. This technology turns every conversation into a seamless, shared experience. And that's revolutionary. Why this changes everything. Travel becomes effortless. No more awkward hand gestures or translation apps. You can explore ancient streets, order food, or ask directions with full confidence. Business deals become faster, smoother. Language no longer slows down opportunity. Multinational meetings, once filled with delays, become real-time collaborations. Refugees and immigrants can adapt faster in new countries, reducing isolation. They can understand forms, signs, and people, all without waiting months to learn a new language. Deaf or hard-of-hearing individuals could see spoken words live, subtitles for real life. It's not just translation, it's inclusion. Education explodes globally. A child in Kenya could learn from a teacher in Canada, instantly, and without needing to learn the language first. Knowledge stops being limited by borders. Emergency situations improve. First responders could communicate with locals during disasters instantly. It also boosts tourism, empathy, and intercultural friendships, all through the simple power of understanding. This one technology could become the Google Translate of the eyes, but faster, more personal, and life-changing. The company's racing to build this Mojo Vision, based in California, is a pioneer in AR-enabled contact lenses. Their latest prototypes already feature microdisplays that show directions, data, and more. They're now testing how to include real-time text. Google, after its Google Glass experiment, is doubling down on smart eyewear and lens-based tech, aiming to combine translation, GPS, and camera vision into one seamless view. Samsung, Sony, and even Apple have filed patents that suggest they're building lens-compatible displays and AI modules that could fit in your eye. Meta is investing in brain-machine interfaces, some of which could sync with eye lenses to enable real-time cognition syncing. China's Huawei and Korea's LG are not far behind, exploring bilingual AR projection systems tied to smart lenses. Experts believe the first consumer version could arrive as early as 2029 or 2030, starting with travelers and then mass adoption. This is a prediction based on current trends. The first models may be expensive, but like smartphones, prices will drop. And within a decade, they may become as common as eyeglasses. Governments, too, are watching, both with hope and caution. As this tech becomes real, privacy and ethical concerns. But with great vision comes great responsibility. Will these lenses record what you see? Could that data be shared with companies, or worse, governments? Could they be hacked, turning your own eyes into surveillance tools? What happens when false translations are injected intentionally by malware? There are concerns that people may start filtering reality, only seeing the world as they want to, creating a new kind of digital bias. Imagine talking to someone who's using a real-time lie filter, seeing only what the AI thinks is truthful. Is that trust or manipulation? There's also the risk of overdependence. Will we stop learning new languages altogether? Schools and universities may face challenges as students rely on lenses instead of learning comprehension and culture. And finally, there's the deep ethical question. If tech mediates all our communication, are we really connecting? Or is the machine talking for us? These are tough questions, but necessary as the world walks into the smart lens era. What this means for humanity. These lenses are not just tools, they are a bridge between cultures, borders, and hearts. When language disappears as a barrier, the true human connection can finally emerge. We could finally live in a world where no one is foreign, where misunderstanding doesn't lead to war, but to dialogue. Smart lenses won't just help us see more clearly, they'll help us understand more deeply. In classrooms, hospitals, airports, homes, this tech could dissolve loneliness, isolation, and fear. And in doing so, help us recognize that humanity, at its core, speaks the same language. Hope. The future isn't just about faster gadgets. It's about deeper understanding. Smart contact lenses are a step toward a world that sees not just better, but clearer. Beyond language, beyond fear. If you want to keep exploring these life-changing technologies with us, subscribe to Tech Science Insights. Together, we decode the future. Thanks for watching. Stay curious.